In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track email opens in Kit. Tracking your open rates is one of the simplest ways to understand how your audience is engaging with your emails. It helps you see which subject lines are working, which broadcasts are resonating, and where you might need to make improvements. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Kit to find your email open data and how to dig into the details of who is actually opening your emails. First, start by logging into your Kit account and heading to the main navigation. At the top, look for the Send section. Under Send, you'll see options like broadcasts and possibly sequences. Broadcasts are your one-time emails, like newsletters or announcements, while sequences are automated emails that go out over time. For this example, you can use either, but the process is very similar. Go ahead and click on broadcasts if you're checking a one-time campaign, or sequences if you're analyzing an automated email. Once you're in the broadcasts or sequences area, you'll see a list of emails that have already been sent. Find the specific email you want to review. Instead of clicking on an edit icon or a checkbox, you'll want to click directly on the name of the email itself. The email name is usually the subject line or internal title you gave that send. Clicking on the name will open the detailed view for that particular email. Inside this email view, look for the Report tab. This is where Kit pulls together all of the performance data for that email. When you open the Report tab, you'll see several metrics, but the one we're focusing on here is the open rate. The open rate is usually displayed as a percentage and shows how many people, out of everyone who received the email, actually opened it. This gives you a quick, high-level sense of how well your subject line and timing are performing. To get more granular, you're not limited to just that percentage. Click directly on the open rate number itself. When you do this, Kit will display a detailed list of the specific subscribers who opened your email. This list can help you understand which segments are most engaged, and it can be really useful for follow-up campaigns, retargeting, or building audiences of your most active subscribers. And that's all you need to track email opens in Kit, from the overall open rate down to the individual subscribers who are engaging with your content.